Thank you. Good afternoon, everybody. So my name is Reiko Motohashi. I'm a plant molecular biologist and a member of the Japan Inter-Society Religion Association Committee for promoting equal participation of men and women in science and technology. Today, I would like to talk about the result of the third large-scale survey of actual conditions of gender equality in scientific and technology professions, which was conducted in November 2012. EPMEWSE was founded in 2002. It was established in order to create a network among academic societies and to promote gender equality in the fields of science and engineering. We are active in making proposals and requests to the Japan government, conducting summer camps for schoolgirls, and holding symposium promoting further discussion regarding gender equality. Perhaps our most important role, however, is questioning the status quo. This slide shows a breakdown of the ratio of job position of respondents. The position is the highest percentage of female among the respondents was research technician. So the lowest ones were professor and general manager. As job position bear more responsibility, percentages of females in those positions tend lower. This is a good first example of the existing gender gap. Female scientists tend to choose working as a research technician due to working time. Research technician is generally a part-time job in Japan. This slide shows the working condition of respondents. In Japan, university teachers, high school and junior high school teachers are overworked. From their late 20s to early 40s, males spend 3 to 4 hours longer in research and development work than females. Particularly in the life science and biology fields, additional time is required at the workplace. For example, it is necessary to take care of samples such as the plants, mice, and cell culture. Moreover, we are often responsible for teaching students how to use experimental machines and how to make samples for experiments, all in addition to research duties. In Japan, there is a need to change the current notion, the long working hours in the norm. Otherwise, males as well as females will lose productivity and have difficulty continuing work. This slide shows the marital status of respondents and spouses' employment status. There is clearly a wide gender gap in maternal status with a higher percentage of males being married. In case of partners' employment status, more than half of male respondents' partners are employed. Full-time homemakers, while more than 80% of the female respondents' partners have jobs. Moreover, half of female partners are research and technical works at university or research institute. So female scientists tend to marry male scientists. So this slide shows data regarding experience living separately and number of children of the respondents. 27% of males have had experience living apart from their partners, compared to 50% of female. So these results show the percentage of males decreased from the previous survey, 30%, where the percentage of females increased 44%. Some scientists live separately for more than 10 years. Data shows male scientists have female scientists have fewer children than male scientists. Females having difficulty balancing work and family is likely the primary reason for this difference. Young scientist couples cannot find no-term academic job in same university or institute because there are few academic positions in Japan. Actually, many young couples have to live separately in order to pursue their careers. As the number of female scientists increase, more scientist couples are likely to live separately, which will result in fewer children among these couples. The top reason indicated by both genders for the low percentage of female researchers was balancing family and work is difficult, receiving over 50 of responses. This was followed by returning after children leave is difficult. And workplace environment, combining for over 30% of the response from both male and female respondents. Why are there fewer females than males in the science and technology fields? We believe one of the main reasons is because of the long work hours required of scientists. Females who also bear the burden of raising children struggle to balance being a successful professional as well as a model parent. Why are there fewer female leaders than males in the science and technology field? Academic couples have difficulty finding work at the same place. It leads to females having to live separately and take care of their children by themselves. It is difficult for females to make full use of their skill and talents as professionals when faced with these kind of living situations. Thank you for attention.